I never thought 4 weeks ago when I started this process of recording a weekly message that I'd be here at week 4 doing the same thing. I wanted to address 2 primary concerns that people have. Number one, why hasn't this municipality declared a state of emergency? And the second one is, why haven't we shut our borders down to outside people coming into our community? Let's start addressing that question first. Espanola is a thoroughfare to Manitoulin Island. There's a number of people that need to drive on and off the island for a variety of reasons every day. Some of them being that they're essential workers in other communities. As well, we have workers from other communities that have to come into our municipality and support us in the achievement of our daily lives. So we need to make sure that there is the availability for people to flow through our borders. We also have the regional hospital and we have the grocery stores that people need to access in our region. So by shutting our community, it's not going to do us any good, and it's not going to do any good to any of our neighbors. The other thing about declaring a state of emergency, I am working with an entire team of people. We have an emergency management coordinator, we have communications officers, we're working with public health, we're working with the local hospital and the police force. The deputy mayor is also on that committee. And as a collective group of people, we have decided that there is no state of emergency in Espanola. We have no active COVID-19 cases as of yet. And we are continuing to do the testing that's necessary. In the meantime, however, we have put the plans in place to make sure that we are prepared. If we do need to declare a state of emergency, I am confident that I'm going to be doing that with the full support and with the full group of people that are there. Now, council is continuing to meet on a weekly basis. We are not addressing business as usual. What we do is we meet, we talk about the state of the COVID-19 situation, pandemic in our town. We talk about anything that we need to address as a municipality. We will continue resuming regular meetings shortly to deal with other business that needs to happen. But we are doing so in a manner that is safe for our employees and safe for us, and in a manner that's good for our community. In the meantime, what we all need to do is continue to practice our safe hygiene. We have to wash our hands, we have to limit our exposure, stay indoors as much as possible, and when we do have to go, make sure it's because it is a necessity, not a want. You want to make sure that you are staying away from other people, you're practicing safe social distancing, and doing everything that you can to mitigate the spread, because we don't want to overwhelm our hospital. We don't want to overwhelm what we have in place to deal with this situation. In the meantime, have a happy Easter, stay safe, and we'll see you next week.